everybody, it's Dr. Hi-Fi. I'm going to be showing you an adjustment using muscle testing and the activator, the tool for a light adjustment. So right now I'm just motion palpating Willow's neck. Is that tender or what? I have it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just test you for strength. This arm straight, elbow straight. Push towards my face. Good, push. 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 Feel how that's tender? And then you're weak.
Yeah.
I'm going to adjust that at C4. I'm just going to cover your ear. If it's too loud, let me know. And let's see if you strengthen. Push. 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 Any pain?
No.
Okay, this side. Let's see if you're strong. Good. Push. 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 Much stronger on this side. Any pain?
Just a little bit.
On the very last one. Yeah. Perfect. Lift. Turn left.
Good.
Turn right. Good. So a lot of patients are scared to get their neck manually manipulated. They feel like it's very scary for them, too much rotation. They've heard bad things. So your chiropractor, if you see a chiropractor, most likely has a different type of technique they can use for you. So if you don't like the rotation type of adjustment, you're suffering from neck pain, headache, sinus, allergies, earaches, you've tried medicine, but you're scared of chiropractic, you can also use the activator, a light force technique, no rotation, and you can have great results. Give us a call if we can help you. 858-360-9000.